Welcome back, and this is the DMV Wig Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Below we have a beautiful client. She will be receiving a low, gluleless frontal install. Now this right here is a really big trick because anytime that a person has a low hairline like this, you have to go to work on that hairline. Now, as you see, we have plucked it out. It took us about an additional 45 minutes, on top of the plucking that already had taken place, because the hairline has to really be plucked out and thinned out to have the most natural results anytime the low hair clients come in. And now her hair is almost finished being styled. It's starting to come together a little bit more. We could have even plucked it even more, but she suggested that she wanted to have semi-fullness in the front. This is our beautiful raw Indian processed hair. This is a gluleless install again. And now, look, oh, there you go, girl. Don't you look amazing? You look beautiful. She is ready to take the world on by storm. She has her gluleless install. She doesn't have no werewolf hairline. Girl, thick hairline wear. For more information, visit mainattractionshair.com.